Fast braces are a revolution in orthodontic technology.
It's a revolution.
A revolution.
It's revolutionary. Revolution in orthodontics.
A revolution and evolution in orthodontics.
Truly a real revolution.
A revolution in orthodontics.
A revolution.
A revolution in orthodontics.
It's a revolution.
Revolutionary.
Fast braces has really changed the world of orthodontics.
I would call fast braces a revolution in orthodontics because there are a lot of different systems, and there are a lot of systems that get teeth straight, and that's what we're really going for, right? That's our end goal quality-wise for our patients. But then what you're trying to work into the mix is how can it be done safer? How can it be done a little faster? And then how can we make the retention process easier? How can we make it safer? How can we make it more affordable? And so fast braces really kind of achieves all those goals for the patient. A great end result, safe, easy, fast, and affordability.
I've been practicing for 10 years, and I've pretty much done every single orthodontic course that GPs can do. And I have to say this has been the most outstanding for me, from the results, from the evidence, from the efficiency, and from the ease of understanding what orthodontics is all about. And I would say it will revolutionise my practice and hopefully orthodontics in the whole of England and even the world.
Fast braces is the revolution of orthodontics. There's a lot of different systems out of there. I've used aligners, I've used everything, but nothing compares to fast braces.
I would call fast braces a revolution in orthodontics. I've been dealing with some clear aligners since I got into orthodontics, and this revolution of the bracket and its shape and the speed and the time and how it moves with only having to use one wire, it's just a revolution that I'd wanted to become a part of.
The technology has simplified the process, and it's done it more thoroughly. It's done everything, just like a computer or a phone now can do the thing that 20 devices used to do. This system now can do what 20 appliances used to do in a lot shorter period of time.
I consider fast braces to be a revolution in dentistry. It is a procedure that can knock off a lot of time the way we used to do it in the past. It also saves a lot of money and is a lot safer for the patient. We don't see the sensitivity we used to see with the traditional way of doing things. So any kind of procedure that comes along that does those things, makes it faster, more affordable, I love those things. So I definitely recommend fast braces.
I've been doing orthodontics in my practice for the last 5 to 6 years. I've completed many cases, and essentially fast braces has brought a revolution to the way I think about orthodontics. It's changed the way that I fundamentally want to move the teeth. To me, that's important because it means I can deliver more efficient, dynamic, and better smiles to my patients in a more timely manner. I've used clear systems, conventional systems, and in my opinion, I think this has changed the way that I will think about orthodontics.
It makes sense that instead of moving the teeth with these wires, you kind of move them with a little less force and allow the bone to move with the teeth instead of just pulling the teeth through bone. The less force thing's really cool. Seems like you could change things a lot easier and really fast. Once you get them moving, you can move them a little faster. It's all about just a little light force. The teeth will move on their own. Instead of pulling the teeth, you just kind of nudge them in the direction and they go by themselves.
Fast braces is just so much different from normal orthodontics. Instead of the normal orthodontics, you moving the crown of the tooth first and then the roots, it actually does everything in one go. The advantage that we have with that is that instead of 1 year moving the crown and then the second year moving the roots, it's all done at the same time, so therefore it can be done 3 to 12 months, which is so much quicker, and it's doing it so much gentler, so much kinder to the teeth, which causes less sensitivity. It's just revolutionary. It's fantastic.
Fast braces is revolutionary. It's taken treatment that with orthodontics that I've done in the past that's taken a long time. It's been very slow moving and kind of piecemeal. It's taken all of that, put it together in a very smooth process that
actually causes less discomfort than the previous way of doing orthodontics, and does it faster. And you get ideal, beautiful results. And so it's definitely a revolution. Anything that makes things better is revolutionary, and this is truly revolutionary in orthodontics.
Fast braces is the fastest technology I've seen to move teeth. I've been doing braces now for over 12 years, and usually the treatment times average about 2 to 3 years. And with fast braces, it's such a predictable system that you can now move teeth in 3 months to a year. And that's incredible. And it's only because of the way the technology works. It uses one wire, so you don't have to go in like 5 or 6 times to get wire changes. So the visits are now much less. We have the bracket system alone is a patented system that allows the tooth in conjunction with the wire to move the bracket to move the tooth and the root at the same time. So it cuts down tremendously on the time the patient has to come to get the teeth straightened. So it is an incredible technology, and yes, it is extremely fast.
Well, I think fast braces is truly a real revolution, and the reason is because these teeth that are so crooked, we used to not think that we could fix those in our practice, and we used to refer a lot of them out, and the patients would be told, you know, it's going to take 3 or 4 years to straighten these teeth out. But we truly have been able to straighten the teeth out in about 3 to 10 months, and the patient's happy. Even after the first 5 weeks of wearing the braces, they're surprised, sometimes we're surprised at how fast that things can really move. And so it has been a big revolution in technology and in the orthodontic world.
I would call it a revolution in orthodontics because I can see the benefit of the opportunity of shorter treatment time, consistent results, and being able to move teeth the way you really need to move them, applying the right pressures and moving teeth and with torque and so forth that allow us to get the tooth right where we need it.
Fast braces is a revolution in orthodontics because of the shape of the bracket. Physics applied to biology means that the crown and the root are moving simultaneously. This cuts the treatment time by more than half.
I would call it a revolution in orthodontics because of the technology involved in the bracket design and the wire design, which allows for the straightening of the roots from the beginning of treatment, and to gently move the teeth that simulates eruption so that it brings the bone along with it.
I've been practicing orthodontics in my general dental practice for approximately 7 years now. Fast braces is a revolution in orthodontics due to the technology that is unprecedented. We can move teeth faster, less sensitivity, more predictable, and that will last and be stable for a lifetime.
Fast braces is definitely revolutionary in orthodontics. This is a paradigm shift. We've used other techniques before, but this new technology is going to be able to let us treat the patient in less time, but with similar or even better results.
Well, it's because it seems to be progressing the way that all of life's changes are progressing. Everybody wants things fast now. We want fast cars, we want fast food, we want fast internet service, and you know, it's inevitable that eventually we're going to want fast braces. So, you know, it's right in the name, and it speaks for itself. Fast braces is what this world is turning towards right now.
It's the most significant revolution in dentistry in the last 20 years. Technology in dentistry today is huge, and it's having a huge impact on patients' health. Not just the teeth, but overall oral health, health of their bodies. Fast braces is just another example of how technology has improved our lives.
Fast braces has really changed the world of orthodontics and how you change and straighten teeth.
I feel happiness.